In this video session, I am going to edit the stairs. I am going to copy one stair, that is this stair, till the top floor, and I am going to delete this stair. To edit the stair, we have to use this tool, Stair Manager. First, I am going to copy the stair. So in this region, this rectangular region is used to copy the stair. Click this mark text box. Here you can see all the stairs are listed. I am going to copy this STA1 stair. So select this, and the bottom level is 1. So this STA1 stair begins at level 1. So you have to select level 1, and top level is 7. So I am going to copy this stair STA1 from level 1 to level 7. Select the bottom slab. So for the top stair or the top level stair, the bottom slab will be this slab and the top slab will be this slab. So this way, go on selecting the slabs. Once you select the top slab, the command is terminated and the stairs are copied. You can see how the stairs have been copied. All the stairs have smooth joints with the floor. You can see here. Now I want to delete this stair, that is stair 3. So again, open the Stair Manager. Stair Manager manages all the stairs in the project. So when you are deleting the stair, use this text box. So bottom level of this stair 1 or stair 3 is level 1. So select level 1. So all the stairs would be listed in this box. So you have to delete stair 3. Select none. That particular stair will be deleted. So in this way, the stair can be copied and deleted. Thank you very much.